Okay guys, we are now in trade 3 in 3 days. So we've had quite a few trades this week already, which is fantastic. This is the pound NOK, Norwegian krona, and this is again an exceptional price that's reached this exceptional price envelope, if you like, and has now got me in here with a sell at 0.04 as we start the same sell in terms of leverage size with everything until we grow our capital. Once we grow our capital, we grow our leverage. But at the moment, because not one single one of my entries out of the 3 that I'm in at the moment have come to completion, we've not grown anything yet. So we are waiting for this one to come down to around about this sort of level right down here. So it's about 120 pips away at the moment. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get to a big reversion and get out the trade nice and quick. So I will update you guys. I will add in my take profits, add in my stop losses, and make sure we're all set up ready to go. I'll also put another 50 pips above here, up there somewhere, another input at 0.07 as per I've done in all the other strats. So bear with me guys until this is complete, and I'll let you know how it goes on. Hi guys, so we're back again here with pound NOK, Norwegian krona, and as you can see, we got in yesterday. We got in around we got in around here yesterday. We got in there at that point. It went down. I thought it was going to take me out. It went back up, unfortunately, and then has climbed and climbed and climbed again. And as you can see, the difference here is 49161, and there's 54134. So 50 pips difference in there. Usual setup stuff. It got me in just at the top there, which is fantastic. I mean, you couldn't get a better place, if I'm honest. It doesn't always happen like that, guys. I'll really be honest with you on that one. This one's just been very fortunate to get me in, and now obviously it's looking very, very good actually. We're £30 up on the top point, which we can see there is it's just a 0.07. This one here is 0.04, so we're about £5 in the minus on that. So overall we're up £25. I mean, that's 2.5% at the moment, guys, which is a phenomenal trade. But we're going to let it go all the way down to where the mean is, which is right down there at the moment, which is fantastic. And hopefully, you know, we'll start getting lower lows and lower highs, and we'll start seeing this retrace right the way back down. Even if it comes within reason around this sort of level here, where there's some a few supports here. You know, that might be where the point in which we'll get out, but we'll just see how it goes. At this point here, we'll be looking at probably about 50 to 60 pounds, so you're looking at 6% growth on the account with this trade here. So let's hope that we can finish that one today, and we'll see where it goes. I'll update you guys when it's coming to a close. Hi there guys, so we're back again with pound NOK, and as you can see, it's gone right down here, which is fantastic. It's done really, really well. It's broken that support there, and I'm actually going to get out here, which is where it was this morning at the height where the mean was. So I'm just going to get out of this trade here. So I'm going to sell. That's £58 there. Close order. Thank you very much. and again the £10 there, which is fantastic. So another brilliant trade. That's two fantastic trades so far. 100% so far, 2 out of 2, and counting really. So overall that was 58 and like 11. So let me just show you the history again today. So obviously earlier on we got out of USD CAD, we made £31 there, and today we just got out of pound NOK as well. We made 58.57 on one and 10.78 on the other, so the best part of sort of 70 quid. So again guys, that comes back to the whole 10% thing. You know, that's a great 7%, 3% in the other one, and it's just a fantastic trade really. 7% growth on the account with one trade, 3% with the other trade. You know, it's just great. So in one day, 10% growth on the account overall. And as you can see guys, I'm not lying here, this is my real account. You saw me start off with 1,053 USD. As you can see now it's 1,151. The account number's the same, everything's the same. This is real trading guys, this is real money, this is real profit. And yeah, this is again Strat 93. Goodbye for now, and any questions or anything, please get back to me underneath. My word, so many alarms going off. Please get back to me underneath, write anything about it, ask me any questions, not a problem at all. And if you like it, subscribe and share my videos. Alright guys, see you